Awesome, guys, we got this welded on right here. Turned out really nice. It's got some surface rust. Let us know what you guys do to get rid of surface rust, because we've had a really hard time with it. The bed's done really good, it hasn't rusted, but we used roll-on primer and got it on nice and thick. I don't know if that's the strategy. That's kind of what we're thinking, but we'll figure it out.
The hardest parts we have sometimes is with our welds and stuff, because welds can be a little bit tricky to clean up. But let us know what you guys use. If you guys use like a rust encapsulator, like a Pour 15 or something like that.
With that being said, we're really happy with how this is turning out. We're happy with how the fuel door turned out, that inside bed panel, and the roof.